I'm Winnie Meads, and I'm going to show you how to make puffy paint that you can add to your paintings. This is what it looks like. The supplies you need for this are a bowl, some shaving foam, some white glue, and whatever color paint you want to use. I'm doing white snow, so I'm just using white. And this is a tempera, which is a washable paint, but you can also use acrylic paints, but this isn't washable. So we're gonna start by adding some shaving foam to our bowl, and you don't need a lot. You don't need too much. I'm gonna squirt a little bit more. Okay, and then you add some white glue to that. And you do slightly less than the amount of foam you have. It's not an exact science. And then you add your paint. And so what you could do is you could mix this first and then divide it up into different bowls, and then you can add whatever color paint you want to it. I'm just gonna add white paint to mine because I'm making it snow, but add whatever color paints you want in separate bowls. And then now you have your puffy paint, and you can use it in your artwork. Like I made some snow people, so I'll show you. I'll just add it as snow to my artwork. And you can paint it kind of thick. And then later when it dries, you'll see all that texture. Just gonna add it, and then once it dries, you'll be able to feel that it's puffy. It will look super cool. It does take a long time to dry though, probably overnight. Like the next day it will be dry. And make sure that it's nice and thick. Like see how this area isn't quite thick enough yet? I'm gonna add some more, and then it will be puffy. See that? And then I've added all this snow to my snow people. All right, happy creating. I hope you enjoy making puffy paint.